Today I'm going to share with you an amazing tool that's going to make your life as a digital product seller so much easier. It's called Etsyshop.ai. And trust me, you're going to want to stick around for this one. So watch this video till the end. Hi everyone, I am Raquel and I bring you simple tools for digital product sales success. Now, when I was first approached to review this product, I'll be honest, I was a little hesitant. I'm not an active seller on Etsy, but I still have my store. However, I thought to myself, you know what? This could benefit everyone, whether you're selling on Etsy, Shopify, WordPress, Squarespace, or any other platforms, okay? So what exactly is Etsyshop.ai? It's an innovative tool designed to simplify your product research process. And when I say simplify, guys, I mean it. It makes it incredibly easy to spot bestsellers, Etsy picks, star sellers, and products with videos. Okay, guys, so when you sign up for Etsyshop.ai, it is a breeze, basically. With just a few clicks, you can create an account and start your research journey. Okay, so now that we are in, first things first, I would like to download the Chrome extension just to give you guys an overall feel of what this tool can do. Okay, so let me just download this and add to Chrome. Okay, so it is telling us that the tool has been added to Chrome. So we are ready to roll. Okay, guys, so now that our Chrome extension is now added to Chrome, I will log in here again. I know I showed you guys how to log in before, but you can log in here or you can start a free trial. So the platform's intuitive design ensures that even those with minimal technical skills can navigate it with ease. Instantly, you will be able to see the product research tab, the store research, the top store research, and Etsy for TikTok research. Okay, so we'll get to those. And here is something really cool. It has a TikTok shop tab that helps sellers find the best categories and products for TikTok ads. Essentially, it shows you what works well on TikTok so you can make your products stand out similarly if you decide to advertise on the platform. Okay, and below these tabs right here, you will be able to see the Etsy trend. Okay, so you have the most popular, the Etsy TikTok categories, and the category, right? So what I really like here is that you can basically see the best sellers, the Etsy picks, star seller stores, and the products that has videos. All right, so I really like this area here. I really like the tool for this area. Okay, let us go into product research, right? So this is a new feature that we have. Etsyshop.ai also shows you the only real sale products, which are items that have verified sales, so you know you're seeing genuine bestsellers. Isn't this awesome? So if you are getting value from this, guys, please subscribe. Okay, so we have the product type, we have bestsellers, Etsy pick, and product with video. Then you have the different period. So what I will do is simply select digital, right? And apply filter, because this is what we're looking for, digital products, right? And when you scroll down, you will be able to see all the digital products that are selling really hot right now. And these are the digital products that you're looking at right here. And these are best sellers, and most of them you can see with video. So I think this tool is pretty good because it is actually showing you the products that has videos. All right. And so it's telling you the products that are best sellers, those with videos, and on top of that, you have the sale history right here. Okay, so let me not get too excited. And you will be able to see the how old is the product. Then you have the number of review. Okay, and so you have a lot of details about the product, right? So all these are pretty hot selling products, digital products that you can probably recreate yourself to sell in your own store. And I was actually looking through another product research tool, and I came across a lot of these items, especially this one, and a few others. Okay. So yes, so this tool is a pretty good tool, and I don't think you should ignore it, right? We will confirm that this product is a bestseller, as you can see here. If you remembered earlier, we downloaded the Chrome extension, right? So this is it right here. So with this Chrome, you'll be able to see more details about the product. So here we have the date the product was launched, the price, the category in which a product or categories in which a product is listed, total sales, the favorites. But what I really like is the total sales. Okay, I think that is what we're looking at, the total sales and the product tags. So if you are an Etsy seller, I guess this will definitely be of great value to you. All right. However, you don't have to be an Etsy seller to benefit from this tool. As I said, you are seeing that this product is in demand. All right. 62 persons bought this in the last 24 hours, guys. So hey, it has a demand, right? And you can see in the last 7 days, or probably the sales is not updated as yet, because it says here 62 persons bought this in the last day. All right. So I'm not sure if there's a delay here, but the good thing is this item is selling. So now let us look at another product. So as you can see, this product has a video. So we will look at this product, and we will confirm that it is a bestseller, as you can see here. And let us confirm the video. Yes, it has a lovely video attached to it. And as you can see, this product is in high demand. It has 122 people bought this in the last 24 hours. Okay, so now let us look at the store tracker. So the store tracker feature of Etsyshop.ai allows you to monitor the performance of other stores, including your competitors. You can track the best-selling products, revenue, and overall metrics. So this tool is useful to identify successful product ideas and strategies employed by top performing stores in your niche. So by analyzing their tactics, you can gain valuable insights and potentially improve your own success. In addition to that, you can use the store tracker to monitor the performance of your own store, allowing you to make data-driven decisions to optimize sales and growth. Simply add the store here. You can enter the store URL, right? So let me pause this and just add a store. Okay, so instead of using the URL, I've decided to use the store name. Okay, and I will click on check stores. So as you can see, stores will be added. So you start tracking. Okay, and just like that, we are able to track and monitor this store, which most likely might be our competitor, right? So you can monitor this store. It feels like you're spying on the store, and as you can see, you have all the best sellers listed right here from the store. So if you want, you can basically point blank copy the store, but make your own changes. Come out a bit unique, right? But as you can see, this store is doing fine, right? So you have the shop sales, as you can see here. Then you go to shop products, right? All products. And you have the engagement data. So as you can see here at the top, you're able to see everything that is happening with this store. Okay, you have the total sales, estimated total sales, and you have the products on sale, the number of products on sale, the average price, etc. So you have a lot of details to work with. So now I would like us to look at the keyword tool. So one of the most powerful features of Etsyshop.ai is a keyword research tool. This tool lets you find the most popular and profitable keywords related to your niche or product. So you can easily identify high volume, low competition keywords that can drive targeted traffic to your online store. So this tool here, I think it will be of great value to all of us because as you can see, if you want to know what is selling, right? If you're selling on Etsy, you can basically get the keywords here, right? So basically it looked very similar to E-rank. It looked very similar to E-rank. So let us type something in. Okay, so let us go at the top here and change the country, right? Insert the country, which is USA. Or as you can see, there are several options that you can zoom in on here. So you have the United States, and let us put in digital planner, right? And let us search. Okay, so as you can see, we have the competition here and the sales, reviews, and collection. Of course, we would like this to be green as usual, just so that to decrease the number of competition. And if you have your own store, I always recommend having your own store. This will definitely benefit you. So let us look at the keywords, and these are the keywords that we have. And as remember, you can easily copy this. Let us look for similar keywords. Okay, so these are the similar keywords, and as you can see, basically nothing's happening here. You can look at product related, or you can look at all together. You can scroll down and look at the best seller. So this is what I really like. I'm sorry guys, I do product research the lazy way, I guess, but it's right there, bam, in your face. You have your bestseller, you have the one with the video. What else do you want? Okay, what else do you want? Now, of course, you can go straight to the store by clicking on this, or you can favorite this. Okay, right. So now that we are looking at this product that came up in our keyword search, and we can fine tune this and go straight to the product and get the keywords here. Okay, these are the keywords that we can also use if we create a product like this. All right, so keep that in mind. And of course, if you have your own store, right, whether it's on WordPress or Shopify, wherever you're selling, these would be very good keywords that you can use as well, right? So don't ignore this, right? So even though this is a tool for Etsy, right, these keywords are words that you can use for your own store. Okay, these are products that are in demand, so you can create that in your own store as well. Okay, the only thing I really don't like is that we are not able to get the sales for all the products. There's a feature that I really like. It is the My Collection feature. So this tool helps you organize and manage your favorite finds during your product research. So this feature is designed to streamline your workflow and keep track of potential products and stores that you are interested in. Okay guys, I'd like to show you how to use the Etsyshop.ai store Chrome extension to further, do some research. So basically, this is the extension right here, and it can do batch analysis, right? So just by scrolling through on Etsy, right? I haven't typed in anything as yet. I haven't typed in anything in the search as yet, but just scrolling through, you can see some numbers. You can see the favorites and those that actually have the sales exposed. You will be able to see sales like this one, 14 sales in the past 7 days, and this is some pretty good information. So let us just type in digital products, or let's type in printables. Okay, so we have some printables, and of course you have the statistics here, right? So you can scroll through and just go through the printables here, right? However, you can also click on batch analysis and be able to see what is happening here on this page. So this is very similar to Etsy Hunt, and you guys know I like Etsy Hunt, right? So this is very similar, and I like the fact that I'm able to see sales, the number of sales in 7 days. As you can see here, right? And you can see that these products are doing well, and it was recently released. Okay, yeah, this one is an old product, right? When I mean old, it was released a while ago, since in 2021, but the sales are pretty good. So guys, I think this is very helpful. It will help you in your product research, definitely. And I will be using this tool more often. Um, you will definitely see this in my videos. Okay guys, so before I explain how to sign up for this great tool for free, I want to offer you my free digital product starter kit. So this kit will guide you through starting your own digital product store from start to finish. Okay, so you have ideas of marketing and everything in there. Okay, also I'd like you guys to visit instantrice.com to get 30% off ready-made templates to start selling your own products today. So the link is below. Okay, so now guys, let us look at how much this all costs. Guys, it's getting better. Okay, so you can use Etsy Shop Analyst tool for free forever. Okay, however, there's a daily limit of 200 product views per day. Okay, so after viewing the 200 product views in a day, you won't be able to analyze more products until the next day. However, if you want to do more product searches, you can upgrade to any of the paid plans with the starter kit, which starts at $9.90 per month. So this is an absolute deal for such a powerful tool, guys. So guys, are you ready to take your online store to the next level with the latest trending digital products? Give Etsyshop.ai a try and see how it can transform your product research. Okay, so you can just simply try it out today. The link is below. You're not pressured to put in any credit card, anything like that. Okay, guys, also in this next video, I will show you how you can easily and quickly create an ebook in 24 hours. Okay, you won't want to miss this. So I'll see you over there.